Okay, what we have here is, I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of it, the brand, but it's a classic green and white diffuser, humidifier, and it's quite a cute little number. Now this one, you can also, you could plug it into your computer or any USB, but it also has an adapter just to plug it in like I did. You can see where the max mark is on here where you're supposed to fill it. And then you just put the cover on. And it does come with instructions. Let's see here. I must not have it plugged in. Hold on one second. Okay, and so yes, I did have it not plugged in right. When you do plug in the USB to the plug-in that they give you, make sure that you put it the right way. That's what I did, is I mixed up and put it the wrong way. So you can see that it's on, the little blue light. It instantly starts misting. Now this gives you a cool, but it's dry. It's not wet. It won't get anything wet. Okay, here we go. Now you can stick any kind of essential oils that you want in there, you know, to anywhere from adding to cheer you up, make you more energetic. Each essential oil has a breakdown, and I have that written in the written part of my review, so you can kind of get some ideas of what you might like. I like the point with this diffuser, how it's so cute and it's small. You can, you know, have it anywhere. It kind of like would go really good within in plants or anything. I mean, there's really nothing that it wouldn't go along with because of the colors. I did get this product at a discount to be able to try and then give my honest opinion. Thanks for watching my video.